the Occupational Outlook Handbook.
I consider the Occupational Outlook Handbook, which I will hereafter refer to as the OO, to be one of the most helpful books on career information available. I urge you either to buy one or arrange for frequent access to it throughout your job search because it is useful in a variety of ways. The OO provides descriptions for about 280 of America's most popular jobs, organized within clusters of related jobs. Although that number may not sound like many jobs, about 87% of the workforce works in these 280 jobs. The OO is updated every 2 years by the U.S. Department of Labor and provides the latest information on salaries, growth projections, related jobs, required skills, education or training needed, working conditions, and many other details. Each job is described in a readable, interesting format. You can use the OO in many ways. Here are some suggestions. Identify the skills needed in the job you want. Look up a job that interests you, and the OO tells you the transferable and job-related skills it requires. Assuming that you have these skills, you can then emphasize them in interviews. Find skills from previous jobs to support your present objective. Look up OO descriptions for jobs you have had in the past. A careful read will help you identify skills that can be transferred and used in the new job. Even minor jobs can be valuable in this way. For example, if you waited on tables while going to school, you would discover that this job requires the ability to work under pressure, deal with customers, and work quickly. If you are now looking for a job as an accountant, you can see how transferable skills used in an apparently unrelated past job can support your ability to do another job. If you are changing careers or don't have much work experience related to the job you want, describing your transferable skills can be very important. Identify related job targets. Each major job description in the OO lists other jobs that are closely related. The description also provides information on positions that the job might lead to through promotion or experience. Because the jobs are listed within clusters of similar jobs, you can easily browse descriptions of related jobs you may have overlooked. All of this detail gives you options to consider in your job search. Find out the typical salary range, trends, and other details. The OO helps you know what pay range to expect and which trends are affecting the job. Note that local pay averages and other details can differ significantly from the national information provided in the OO. Get more specific information on a particular job and related jobs. If a job interests you, learning more about it is important. Each OO job description provides helpful sources, including a cross-reference to the ONAT career information, see next section, related professional associations, internet sites, and other sources. Tip: most libraries have the Occupational Outlook Handbook, but you probably won't be able to take it home. Another book titled America's Top 300 Jobs provides the same information, plus my job search tips, and is often available for circulation. You can order either book through GIST or most bookstores. You should use these books as reference tools frequently during your job search and after. You can also access the OO information online at careeroinc.com or at bls.gov/OGO.